How to use Soundpad on Discord. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply install Soundpad on our desktop or on our PC. But as you can see, I have mine installed already. So if you do have one, then open it. And once done installing, go to your Discord app and choose a server wherein you would want to add your Soundpad or to play your Soundpad in. So for example, I'm going to use this server and I'm going to go to my voice channel right here. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is to go back to our Soundpad application and choose a sound or a file that we would like to play here on Soundpad. Actually, we can actually add some files or add some music from our files to Soundpad. All we need to do is to go to the upper left hand corner, click on files and add sound files right there. Now I'm just going to make use of one of the music right here. So for example, this one here, number 4, and play the play button. Now next is that we are going to go back to our Discord account. In our Discord account, we are going to go to our user settings here below, and in our user settings, we're simply going to scroll down until we reach to our app settings and go to voice and video. Now under voice and video, we are going to go to our input sensitivity. Now we are going to disable this one, and then we are going to simply scroll this down, okay, or tone this down basically. Now we are going to go scroll down again and until we reach to our advanced section. In the advanced section, we're going to disable echo cancellation, and also for noise suppression we're gonna click on none. And that's how to use Soundpad on Discord. Hope you find this helpful, and thank you so much for watching.